you have made many Facebook accounts, but some Facebook account you have made previously. In that case, you have forgot the password of that Facebook account, and now you need to open that Facebook account, but you cannot do that. So here I am giving the solution of it. So keep watching my channel. Viewers, if you like my videos and that is important for you to learn and that provide you some important knowledge, then please like, share and comment on my videos. And you are new on my channel, then please hit the subscribe button. Follow me on my Facebook page, my Twitter account and also my Instagram.
InfoTech, the knowledge of computer technology.
Hi, welcome you all to my channel. As you know, I am Dhananjay, and today I have come with different topics or different tricks, that is how to recover your Facebook account if I have forgot the password. So it is my Facebook account, newly Facebook account which I have made, and I have forgot one Facebook account which I have made previously many years ago. So here in first I have to open login page, and here from this account, from here I am giving the ID of email of that account. I am giving the Gmail of that account, but here I have forgot password, so I have to click here forgot password. And now here saying that please enter your email or mobile number to search your account, but I know only email, but I have forgot the mobile, so I am clicking here email, and now click on search. After that you can see here and here you can see here saying that reset your password, and here how do you want to get the code to reset the password. Here two options, so I am choosing that here second option, that is send code by email. So it will send email to my account, and now here enter the security code saying, and security code that in my email. So I am opening my email account. Here you can see my Gmail. Here at first I have got that code of 6 digit, and that code I have to enter. I have to keep on that Facebook account to recover that Facebook account. Now I am putting that code here. After that I am clicking on continue. Then now here saying that choose a new password. So you have to choose a password, new password. If you forgot that password, then here is not saying that you have to write your previous password. Here you have to choose, you have to write your new password. So now here writing new password. Now you can see my that account has opened. Okay, good. So this way you can recover your Facebook account. So I hope you have understood. If any confusion, then write in comment. I will solve your problem. Keep watching my channel, and thank you for watching my video.